Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix Gmail notifications on the iPhone. Here are the steps to fix Gmail notifications on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Notifications. Scroll through the list and select Gmail. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Under Alerts, check that lock screen, Notification Center, and banners are all enabled. Choose your notification or banner style. For example, is temporary or persistent banners. Make sure sounds and badges are turned on if you want audible or visual alerts. Return to the home screen and open the Gmail app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings. Tap Email Notifications and choose All New Email, not just Primary or None. Finally, restart your iPhone by tapping Shutdown, then turn it on again to apply all the changes. New Gmail notifications should now appear normally. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.